So, do you want free ringtones on your iPhone? Any song, any sound, any website? Well, this is how you do it. Turn on screen record. Now go to YouTube or TikTok or wherever you want your favourite sounds or music from. Now in your browser, go to this website, Audio Extractor. Then upload, extract audio and download, and it'll be converted to MP3. Now go to GarageBand, audio recorder. Now click on the little square that looks like bricks. Click on the blue triangle to make it white. Click that little loop sign. Click on Create Song. Click Files. Click Browse Items. Hold your finger on it and drag it across into GarageBand. Click the little arrow in the corner and My Song. Name it, then click Share, Ringtones, Continue, Export, Set it as Standard Ringtone. Now go to your phone settings and sounds, and there's your new ringtone. You can do this as many times as you want. Share, save and let me know in the comments if this worked for you.